Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. We needed to do some work on the AC in our car and we chose this kit from Lichamp.
This is an adapter kit. This is the R-1234YF adapter, and this is for self-sealing can taps. And so we needed to recharge the AC, but wanted to be able to use our own gauges, but they didn't work with this type of AC. So using this adapter kit, we were able to do that without having to buy a whole new setup. So that was really great. So this kit comes with several different items, everything that you're going to need to do your AC work and service, even from home if you are a DIYer. And these are made of copper, aluminum, and steel. They definitely feel really strong and heavy duty, and they are also temperature and corrosion resistant, which is great. So this kit is high quality, it worked really well, and it saved us a lot of time and money.
So I would definitely recommend this kit, and that's my point of view.